Here's 2005 VFR 800. Walk around. Gonna check out some of the body damage around here. A little bit of cracks back there. Some minor cracking there. Not too bad. Just some scuffs. A little bit more there and there. Powder coated wings here and foot pegs. Same thing with the back. Wheels in good shape. No nicks on the paint there. 12-volt plug wired to the battery with a light. Fan override switch for hot days, commuting in traffic, stop and go. A little bit of cracking there on the top. No structural damage. Some more here and here. No structural issues with that. A little bit more here. Front wheel's in good shape. Discs are clean and polished. Front end is good. Both headlight buckets are clean and polished. Small crack right here. Another one right there. Little bit of scratching here. Another small crack in the same place as the other side. This is the biggest crack. This has been repaired underneath. Painted too on top, so it kind of melts away a little bit. Can't see it from too far away, but that's pretty strong. The whole body kit is pretty stable. Doesn't flap. Hasn't cracked any worse in a while. Same thing, powder coat here, powder coat on the exhaust heat shield. Still doing good on the pegs. Single swing arm. Nice and clean on the wheel rim here. A little bit more cracking on this side and underneath. Everything else is good. Now for the bags. This is the bag that fell off on the highway one time. A little bit of scratching here and there. It's got this vinyl piece to cover over the scratching. Blends in pretty well. Here's the other bag with a aluminum diamond plate and construction adhesive and pop rivet repair with some rubber on the back. This piece got broken off when I struck a deer. Bike didn't go down, but the bag got cracked a little bit. Now we can turn it on. $33,000 miles. This is a cold start. Hasn't been run in 3 days. It's 55 degrees out. Starts up nice and good. Bright headlights, everything works. Horn works. Fan turns on. And that's it.